Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You will start by confirming the Pixel 9 supports eSIM plus a physical SIM and that your carriers allow dual use. Once done, backup contacts and keep the eSIM QR or the physical Nano SIM handy. This avoids interruptions. Now open Settings, go to Network and Internet, and tap SIMs or Carrier Setup to add the second line. You do this first, because activating a second line before renaming or configuring avoids confusion and speeds the rest of the process. You'll scan the eSIM QR code or insert the physical SIM and follow on-screen carrier prompts to activate. Once both lines appear, rename them so you can tell personal versus work at a glance. Then set defaults. Choose which line handles voice, texts, and mobile data. This matters because calls use the selected default unless you change per call. Make sure to enable automatic network switching if you want seamless data continuity. This prevents dropped data when one line loses coverage. You finish by testing. Place a call, send an SMS, and use mobile data from each line to confirm functionality. Then set per contact SIM preferences so frequently called people always use the right line. Finally, adjust any APN settings if data is slow. If something goes wrong, restart the phone, install any carrier updates, and recheck eSIM activation. If still unresolved, contact your carrier. This troubleshooting step clears most activation and network issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.